Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word that many people mispronounce, espresso. You may have heard people say espresso, but that's incorrect. By the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it perfectly. The correct pronunciation is espresso. Let's break it down. First, we have es, which sounds like S in best. There is no X sound here. Next, we have pres, like press in pressure. It should be clear and strong. Finally, we have so, which is soft and rhymes with go. Now, let's put it all together. Espresso. Try repeating after me, espresso. Now a little faster, espresso. And at full speed, espresso. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will roll off your tongue naturally. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Espresso is a strong, concentrated coffee brewed by forcing hot water through finely ground coffee beans. It's the base for many popular drinks like lattes, cappuccinos, and Americanos, and that's it. Now you know how to pronounce espresso and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.